everyone, it's the afternoon and every day around this time I like to have a cup of green tea. And if I have an extra minute more, I will make myself a matcha green tea latte, which is my favorite thing to order when I'm meeting a friend at a coffee house or a tea house. And I used to think it was really difficult, but it's not. It's really easy. Well, except for the latte art, that part's hard, but just a straight up latte is so easy to make and you can make it too, so let me show you how. And that's it, you guys. It's so easy to make at home. Treat yourself to a matcha latte and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.